Well, I think now's the time to smash a couple of things.
Yeah. Okay. It's my favorite part. Are we still on with you, Chris?
We're on with me. Yeah.
Yeah. All right. So as I said, while Chris was getting this truck outside, good job on that water thing. I'm pretty happy with what we saw. We have our cover, which is pretty thick American aluminum. We have our competitor's cover that's very thin. Don't know where it comes from, aluminum, that has foam underneath of it. And I don't know if you could see it, but I could dent it with my thumb. Let me try. Okay, so I just pressed it with my thumb. You could probably barely see, but I'm denting it with my thumb. If you knock it with if you see this, can you see that, Chris? Are you getting that? Where's that little light? Give me that light.
Yeah, let's see.
Yeah, I have to show you this. So I'm knocking this cover.
Oh yeah, look at that.
Yeah, I'm knocking this cover
right there.
like I would a door, and it's these little tiny dents everywhere.
Let me see if I go from a different. Oh yeah, there you go. There you go.
Yeah,
you can see them really good there.
Oh yeah, there you go. Yeah, so like this is what you're getting, right? So would I be happy spending $1,000 and that's what happened? No, right? Our cover, I'm not even gonna bother. Like I'll break my knuckle. Okay. So here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna do 2 tests. I'm gonna do a 3-pound sledgehammer. So I've done this before. You guys can catch it. We had all kinds of technical issues like glitches and microphones and stuff like that. Today we're like butter. But I'm gonna hit. I don't know if I should. I'm gonna hit the.
Yeah, but I also want to hit it because I didn't get to last time, so I want to play.
Okay, so on this cover, so psychologically, you know, like I'm like maybe like I think I'm hitting it hard, but I'm gonna turn my brain off and I'm gonna like Hulk smash. Okay, so I'm gonna do 2 things. I'm gonna hit this one with this sledge, and I'm gonna hit our cover, and I'm gonna hit them as hard as I can. So I'm not gonna do like hard as I can. So anyone that's afraid of loud noises, be whatever. Which cover do I do first?
Do ours.
Do ours, okay.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna hit it as hard, like capital H hard.
And it'll be fun. I'll hit it, and then we'll get Andre to hit it, and then we'll get Lucas to hit it, and it'll be a fun time.
It's gonna be like this is what's that? Those rooms that you go to, the
smash room. We're doing smash room with Worksport tunnel covers.
So 3-pound sledgehammer as hard as I can. And I mean, I've never done this before, so I think it's gonna be.
I'm gonna close my eyes.
Yeah, put on your safety gear. All right, so it got dented, okay? And that's what I expected, but that's as hard as I can hit it. And there's a dent, so it doesn't look as pretty as it did. Yeah, that was a heavy hit. But you'll see what happens with
Are you gonna hit it the same kind of?
Yeah, the tonneau covers that are over $1,000. These products are much more affordably priced. And don't get me wrong, I'm showing that our cover will dent. It's not titanium. But the fact that it's still usable and it'll keep, you know, the bed clean and dry, fantastic. Okay, this cover, as hard as I can. I'm a little winded.
Yeah, you really gave it.
Give me some electrolytes. I need some electrolytes. Okay, ready? I feel like this thing's gonna hit. Okay, I'm gonna do it from here. You got me?
Yeah, I got you.
All right, so what's important to note here is when you see styrofoam, so I'm gonna get my handy dandy scalpel here. I'm gonna try to peel this up. When you see styrofoam.
Oh, here, use this.
Oh, no, it's okay.
Yeah.
So
watch how easy it is for him to just bend it with his hands as well.
Like a pop can. Yeah, so this is your skin, right? And when you see styrofoam, the cover, well, first off, I creased the whole cover. It's all creased, like it's literally bent. But it doesn't work anymore. And not only, so let me show you. Not only did I go through the top surface, I know this happened. I went through the bottom surface. I went through 2 sides of aluminum.
Oh no, you went through.
And then I damaged the 3rd side. Oh no. The guy that we borrowed this from is gonna kill me.
No, it stopped.
We went through 2 layers of aluminum. So this is you know, the cover is useless. You can't use it anymore.